Hello everyone, welcome to CBS Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the very important parts of the financial awareness. See, this is useful for main exam point of view as well as interview point of view. See, the chapter is Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card, very important from examination point of view, also from interview point of view. See, Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card was launched in the year 1998. This is very important. 1998. This was introduced by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development has launched the Kisan Credit Card. The card was launched in the year 1998. It was introduced on the recommendation of R.V. Gupta Committee. R.V. Gupta Committee, very important point. R.V. Gupta Committee. See, questions earlier with respect to Kisan Credit Card were, in which year Kisan Credit Card was introduced? Several times the same question was raised. In the year 1998. Which of the following banks introduced Kisan Credit Card? This question also asked several times. That is NABARD. On the recommendations of which of the following committees the Kisan Credit Card was launched or introduced? This is R.V. Gupta Committee. See, at the time of interview, you will be asked, what is the purpose of Kisan Credit Card? What is the purpose of Kisan Credit Card? See, the purpose of the Kisan Credit Card is to provide the adequate timely credit to the farmers. In order to meet the crop related expenses. Amount will be given in the form of loan to the farmers under Kisan Credit Card scheme. Kisan Credit Card scheme. Now assume this example. For example, farmer A has cultivated wheat. Has cultivated wheat in his 2 acres land. In his 2 acres land. See, the wheat is in mid of the period. Now he wants to purchase urea. Then if the farmer does not have enough money, he can approach the bank. For Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card with the land documents. Then the bank after examining of the land documents, then the bank will grant the loan. Here limit is fixed by the bank. Amount to limit is fixed by the bank. See, maximum loan under the Kisan Credit Card is generally 3 lakh. Maximum loan is 3 lakh. For example, after examining the bank records and also land documents and also crop pattern, then the bank fixes the credit. Bank fixes the amount. For example, bank granted 50,000 rupees here. 50,000 rupees here. The farmer will be given with a card. Then he can withdraw this 50,000 rupees any number of times. Within a year, any number of times he can withdraw. Then the farmer will have to repay the money. In installments with interest. Along with the interest, he will have to repay the money. Please remember, this is not interest free loan. Interest has to be paid by the farmer. Interest has to be paid by the farmer. In installments. Along with the principal, interest will be paid in installments. See, what is the purpose of the Kisan credit card? To provide the adequate and timely credit to the farmers. Okay, farmers. See, maximum amount of the loan under Kisan credit card is 3 lakh rupees generally. Okay, 3 lakh rupees generally. Okay, here loan up to 1.6 lakh. Okay, loan of up to 1.6 lakh rupees. No security. Okay, no security for the loan is required. No collateral. Okay, no collateral security is required for the loan up to 1.6 lakh rupees. Above 1.6 lakh rupees, security is required. Security is required. Okay, see, additional advantage. Okay, additional advantages under the scheme Kisan credit card are insurance facility of 50,000 rupees is available in the event of death, and also, okay, in the event of permanent disability resulting out of the accidents. This is also very, very important point. Insurance facility is available for Kisan credit card holders. Okay, Kisan credit card holders. In the event of death, 50,000 rupees will be given, okay, to the nominee. Okay, another point here is, if there is a permanent disability resulting out of the accident, 50,000 rupees will also be given. And for other minor risks, 25,000 rupees insurance facility is available to the Kisan credit card holders. Okay, Kisan credit card holders. Now, if the farmer repays the amount within the time limit, okay, okay, then Government of India will pay 2% of interest. Okay, 2% of interest. Okay, for example, if there is 7% interest on the loan taken by the farmer, okay, if he repays the amount, then Government of India, if he repays the amount within the time limit, then the Government of India will pay 2% of interest rate, okay, on behalf of the farmer. If the farmer pays the 7%, then the 2% equal amount will be credited to the cardholder bank accounts. Okay, so these are the very, very important points from Kisan credit card point of view. Okay, see, Kisan credit card is available at commercial banks, okay, commercial banks, next to RRBs, next to cooperatives, next small finance banks. Okay, actually introduced by National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Okay, it is implemented through different banks. Okay, through different banks. Amount will be given by the banks first. Okay, then after NABARD. Okay, NABARD will give the loan amount to the banks. So these are the important points. Okay, important points from examination point of view with respect to Kisan credit card. Okay, so question could be, in which year Kisan credit card was launched, which bank introduced the Kisan credit card, on the recommendations of which of the following committees, how much insurance facility is available under Kisan credit card. Okay, so interest subvention, okay, maximum loan under the Kisan credit card is generally 3 lakh rupees. Okay, and security, without any security, farmer can get the amount up to 1.6 lakh rupees. Okay, so these are the important points with respect to Kisan credit card. These are very, very important from main exam point of view and also interview point of view. Okay.